G'day! Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw BB-8 in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Let's draw! I'm going to draw BB-8 using a compass. So starting the compass with a circle. If you don't have a compass, you could use something like a lid to trace around. But because he's exactly a circle, I'm going to make sure that I get him looking good. Now he has his head coming off, so I'm just going to bring two lines coming up like so, and now I've got to draw the semicircle part of his head. So I'm going to put his compass on here and on there, and I'm going to bring this around. This is like a semicircle. There we go. That gives me an idea of how to draw BB-8. So let's start with his head. So there's his head, looking pretty good. Now all the details. So he's got a circle, which is an oval shape there with a rim, and then this comes up and around like so, back across and then down, and then we're going to draw a circle here. One circle, two circles, and then another line coming in like so. I'm going to do a couple of little rectangles through here, and a couple over this side as well. A little circle and another little circle, and then a line coming across like that. Don't forget the top part of his head has a little bit of a line like so. 2, 3, and then he has an antenna and another antenna. Now we're going to draw his body. So let's go around this circle. Now it's time to draw an oval shape here, and part of an oval shape here, and a part of an oval shape here. Then we have lines going between there, and then here. Then we have an oval shape and another oval shape with a little oval in between. One there, another oval shape here with another one inside. And we've got a couple of little buttons or lines there with an oval shape up here. Now we've got to do all the details inside here. So you would not see this whole side. So it's here, like so. Now this comes in, and then there's another oval shape like so, another oval in the middle with that joining. Now we have some little bits that come off here, and they sort of point towards the middle, so make sure that they're going towards the middle. Now I'm drawing with a 0.8 multi-liner, and there's BB-8 there. Another oval shape. This one's slightly different. And that should form an oval shape. Yep. Last one, oval shape like so. A couple of these little bits coming in towards the middle. And this is going to be like an oval sort of vent. So there we go. And then we have a line with a line coming around, oval, and another line. There we have a cute little BB-8 looking pretty cool. And you can add whatever background you like. I'm going to add BB-8 in some sand dunes. So I'm just drawing some lines to show some different areas of sand dunes. And I'm just had a foreground, a middle ground, and a background of sand dunes. And then you might put in some planets in the sky. It's up to you. I'm putting some little TIE fighters coming in. They're chasing BB-8. And just a couple of little lines in a circle, and I'm drawing them quite small because they're in the distance. I'm drawing two of them coming through and trying to chase BB-8. And I'm also going to add in a bit of space debris, some broken ships and stuff on some of the dunes to make it look a little bit more interesting. You could add whatever you like there. You could add buildings or other ships, or it's really up to your choice. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you had a great time following along drawing BB-8. Now, if you want to see some other Star Wars videos, check out some of my other links. And if you've got something that you would like to see me draw, drop me a message or comment below and I'll see what I can do. Until next time, I will see you. Thanks for joining me. Bye.